Hello student, today we are going to learn an important gas welding process, oxyacetylene gas welding. In oxyacetylene gas welding, gas use acetylene and oxygen. This is the figure of oxyacetylene gas welding. This is the acetylene cylinder, maroon color. This is the regulator. Regulate amount of gas flow through acetylene hose, that means acetylene pipes. This is the oxygen cylinder, black color. This is the regulator. Regulate amount of oxygen flow through the oxygen hose or oxygen pipe. This is the welding torch. Here suitable amount of acetylene and oxygen mixing as per requirement. This is the oxygen control valve. This is acetylene control valve. This is the tips of welding torch. Okay. Now this is the process of oxyacetylene gas welding. This is the base metal to be welded. This is welding torch tips. Mixture of oxygen and acetylene flow through welding torch in this direction. This is the gas flame. Direction of welding in this direction. This is solidified weld metal. This is the filler rod. May be or may not be used depending on thickness of workpieces to be joined. Coated filler rod is used to prevent oxidation and remove impurities. Okay. Now the oxyacetylene welding process is the most common gas welding process in which a high temperature flame is produced from the conversion of oxygen and acetylene gas. Okay. The process of oxyacetylene welding can be used for almost all metals and alloy. Okay. A high temperature flame about 3200 degrees centigrade can be produced by this method. Okay. Now, what is the principle of oxyacetylene gas welding? A very hot flame is produced by burning of gases, oxygen and acetylene, coming through the torch tips. The edges to be welded are heated up to melting point temperature. A filler metal is also added to complete the welding. Okay. The molten metal mixture, when solidifies on cooling, form a welded joint. Okay. In an oxyacetylene flame, oxygen and acetylene are mixed and burned to release heat. Okay. Now, the complete conversion of acetylene in an atmosphere of oxygen is represented by the following reaction: C2H2 acetylene plus 2.5 oxygen equal to 2 CO2 plus H2O vapor plus huge amount of heat. The flame is used to heat the joint to a state of fusion. Fusion means melt up to melting point and no pressure is applied to the workpieces. Okay. What is the welding process? What is the welding process of oxyacetylene gas welding? First, to start welding, the acetylene control valve is turned first. When acetylene comes out of the nozzle, it should be ignited with spark lighter. It is ignited by spark lighter. Next, it will give a yellow colored smoke film. After it, oxygen cylinder valve is open and supply is increased until a best suitable flame is obtained. Okay. The heated flame is focused on the edges of workpiece to be welded. Okay. The flux and filler metal are also added with the heat of flame. The edges and filler metal melt together and a joint is formed after cooling of the molten metal. Okay. The joint may be formed with or without using of filler metal. It is depend upon thickness of the workpiece. Okay. Now, application of oxyacetylene gas welding. Oxyacetylene gas welding is quite widely used for low quantity work, say in fabrication and repair work. The process is used to weld practically all metals, as well as for all types of joint and in all position, all types of joint, that is lap joint, butt joint, etc. In all position means horizontal, vertical, overhead. Okay. Acetylene welding is particularly used for sheet metal work. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.